Hi, my friends. It is me, Amoe. I am wondering, can AI make the perfect meal? Well, I tested it. Let me tell you what happened. It is a special day. It is my birthday, and I am throwing a dinner party for my closest friends. But oh boy, we have a bit of a challenge. One friend is vegetarian, another is gluten intolerant, and when I open my fridge, it is quite empty. Planning a meal that considers different needs with limited ingredients is not so easy. But don't worry, I've got a plan. First, let's have a look at what we have. Alright, there's a jar of artichoke hearts, a can of jackfruit, fresh okra, and a bag of black rice. In the pantry, we've got a can of coconut milk and some tamarind paste. Quite the eclectic mix, but I think we can whip up something spectacular. Now, how do we create a dish that delights everyone? I remember hearing about this AI tool called DishGen. It's an AI-powered recipe generator that crafts unique recipes based on the ingredients you have and your dietary preferences. Sounds like the perfect chef for our situation. Let's hop onto their website at dishgen.com. You can access it through their website or download the mobile app. Super handy. DishGen offers both free and premium versions. The free version provides 15 recipe credits per month, which is great for occasional use. If you find yourself using it more often, you can get the paid version at $7.99 per month. I'm typing in artichoke hearts, jackfruit, okra, black rice, coconut milk, and tamarind paste. I also specify that we need a vegetarian and gluten-free recipe. Let us see what we get. 1 second later, DishGen suggests making a tamarind jackfruit curry with black rice. That sounds exotic and absolutely scrumptious. This AI-generated recipe sounds perfect for our dinner party. I can't wait to start cooking. Stay tuned to see how this AI-created dish turns out. Alright, let us start the magic. First, we'll rinse and cook the black rice until it's tender and has that beautiful dark tone. Meanwhile, we'll drain and shred the jackfruit to give it a texture similar to pulled meat. In a large pan, we'll heat some oil and cook the okra until it's slightly crispy, then set it aside. In the same pan, we'll add the jackfruit, artichoke hearts, and a generous spoonful of tamarind paste, stirring until everything is well coated. Next, we'll pour in the creamy coconut milk, letting the mixture simmer and meld into a rich, tangy curry. Finally, we'll fold the crispy okra back in, giving the dish a delightful crunch. We'll serve this flavorful curry over a bed of the black rice. The aroma is simply intoxicating. Perfect timing. Just as I'm putting the finishing touches on the meal, my friends arrive. As we gather around the table, I watch with anticipation as Steve takes his first bite. His eyes light up and he gives an approving nod. Lily says, "It is so wonderful to enjoy a meal without worrying about gluten." Hearing their praise fills me with joy and relief. Reflecting on this experience, I have learned a few valuable lessons. DishGen made it easy to create a meal that catered to everyone's needs, turning a potential disaster into a delightful dining experience. And even with an unconventional mix of ingredients, you can craft something delicious. It's all about embracing the challenge and letting your culinary creativity shine. Cooking for friends with different dietary needs doesn't have to be stressful. In addition, DishGen is an amazing tool for reducing food waste. So, if an AI tool can create a menu, can AI write a hit song? In my next video, I let AI write a song about me. In case you want to hear the first ever AI-generated amoeba anthem, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Stay squishy, my friends.